Smart tutorials. Culinary training, sweet swaps. What is a whole food? A food made just as nature intended. Nothing is added like fat, sugar, or salt. Nothing is taken away like vitamins, minerals, or fibers. An example is any produce without a nutrition label. When foods are more processed, they lose nutrients, so manufacturers have to add them back later. That's what the label's for. Let's compare whole foods to processed foods. Eating an apple gives you fiber, vitamins, minerals, and more. Drinking apple juice will not give the same nutrients because of how much the actual apple has been broken down and processed. Sugar is not a whole product. It comes from sugar cane or sugar beets and is far removed from the original product. 1 teaspoon of sugar has 16 calories and no fiber, vitamins, or minerals. Let's go through some sugar swaps from least processed to just a tad. Sugar swap 1, fresh fruits. Slice and dice these sweet treats and add to any recipe. Top fruit swaps: pineapples, mangoes, apples, pears, bananas, and grapes. Here we have some sliced and diced citrus fruits with baked beets. You can taste the naturally sweet rainbow in this dessert. Sugar swap 2. Baked sweet potatoes are naturally sweet and can be used for sweet and savory dishes. Sugar swap 3. Fruit purees can be raw like blended berries or cooked like applesauce. Homemade or store-bought work as a swap. Just check the label for added sugars. Sugar swap 4. Dried fruit may add more calories, but a little goes a long way. Like fresh fruit, they are full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Top examples: raisins, prunes, and dates. Be mindful of dried fruits that aren't naturally sweet, like cranberries. These are tart in nature and usually have added sugar or concentrated juices when dried. Sugar is usually added to salad dressings to balance out the tart flavors from vinegars or citrus. Use fresh fruit like apples or dried fruit like raisins that can be blended with the other ingredients as your salad dressing sugar swap. Here's an example of a salad dressing sugar swap. Carrots are naturally sweet. Try blending them with ginger, onion, rice vinegar, and some water for a colorful and tasty dressing. Check out our oatmeal bars recipe and video to see how we used applesauce, bananas, and raisins to add sweetness without processed sugar. We used oats over flour since it is less processed and full of fiber. You can swap flour in recipes for other whole grains or even beans for a protein punch. We all have a bit of a sweet tooth and like treats. Use these tips and tricks to think differently about sugar and try out our simple swaps. Additional resources: Food Bank NYC, foodbanknyc.org, Plentiful App, plentifulapp.com. Text food to PANTRY 726-879. Thank you for watching. Please visit smartuniversity.org for more information on our programs, to donate, or follow us on other social media platforms. Major support for Smart Tutorials provided by the New York Women's Foundation.